Costco for maybe the entire 10 years. I was writing for the Fool. Really interesting, unique retailer. So let's jump right in. And the general here, I like this whole section here again, where they start to share a bit about what their competitive advantage is. Management says we operate membership warehouses and an e-commerce network based on the concept that offering low prices on limited selection of nationally branded and private label products in a wide range of categories will produce high sales volumes and rapid inventory turnover. Break that down a little bit. You'll see this a few places there. They mentioned the low prices as being basically their main competitive thrust here is just trying to get the absolute low price. They use the term later on, price leader. So Costco wants to be known by their customer as the price leader. So you just, if you shop there, a lot of people just don't even check prices because they basically trust that whatever they're buying there is going to be the lowest price they could find anywhere. And you build up that reputation over time, and it becomes a really valuable thing for customer traffic and brand loyalty and things like that. And then you see here that they're linking that low price and kind of limited selection to high sales volume and rapid turnover. That's where you start to get into their efficiency, that it's a positive feedback loop that allows you to keep prices even lower. So low prices, high efficiency, quick inventory turnover lets you lower the prices even more and basically do that on repeat.
Yeah, I mean, just to add some context to that, comparing Costco's inventory turnover ratio with Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and some other brick and mortar retailers, Costco has an average of more than 2-to-1 advantage in inventory turnover compared to those other retailers I mentioned. So you can see evidence of this strategy working in their inventory turnover ratio.
Absolutely, yeah. And they mentioned here later on in this paragraph, another point is that they talk about using reduced handling of merchandise in no frills self-service warehouse facilities, and they talk about this a lot in the 10K. Is that one of the ways they reduce prices, keep costs low, is to if you've been to a warehouse, that's exactly what it is. Basically, you're seeing pallets of products that customers are just picking right off the pallet. It's not displayed in any real fancy shelving that you'll see in most other retailers, and you're not going to see a whole army of workers basically restocking the shelves all day long because they're just sitting in these pallets. So those are other ways that you can basically lower the cost, and then the wages that are required, the labor costs required to operate the warehouse. And then to your point right here, this last sentence here, we often sell inventory before we are required to pay for it, even while taking advantage of early payment discounts.